how you can change your billing address in PayPal. So if you've set a billing address in PayPal and if you want to edit it or change it, or if you want to add a new address, this is how you can do it. You have to follow these steps very carefully. So let's begin. First of all, open any web browser you have and then search for paypal.com. And once you search for this will open up the official website of PayPal. And once you are in the website, make sure you log into your account. So I've already logged into my account, and as you can see, here is my account. But if you haven't logged in, the website will ask you to log in first. And once you do that, you can click on this gear icon besides the logout button and click on it to open your settings. Once you're on your settings, you can scroll down to find your address. So you can just click on edit address if you want to edit this current address, or if you want to add a new one, you can just click on add. And if you do this, you can add a new address and save it, and this will be your new primary address. And that's how you can easily change your billing address in PayPal. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.